we will add a condition for retrieving the details that the company name should be this. So we will come back in here and we will execute a statement for select, where I will say select star from, and in here I will add a sheet name. The worksheet name is this one, so this, and after that dollar, and again I will say the condition that where the name of column is equals to, okay, the this is the value, so the name of the column is equals to the value. So let us check the column of name of column in here. So this is what we were expecting. Let us click on save. Now one more thing we need to keep in mind is that when we are using this database way, we need to close this Excel. So we will close the Excel and run the code. Again we have the error. So the error is basically we have this considered as string, but we are not we didn't add it in a code, so that is what the problem is. So let us rerun it again. That's it. We have two rows of companies retrieved from that Excel.